main scale division 16 mm. Now let me see which value of the vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale division reading. Let me see. Is it 0? No. Is it 1? No. Is it 2? No. 3? No. 4? No. 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. 8? No. Yeah, it is very close to 9, guys. Now let me see very carefully which one is it. It is either this one or this one. If I be accurate, I'll say this one is completely matching with this one. To every marine engineer out there, from junior engineer to chief engineer and electrical officer, we all know that earning respect on ship is very important. We all know fast promotions are very important, and we all know that इज्जत कमानी है, promotion चाहिए तो काम आना चाहिए, तो जूते पड़ते हैं, गालियां पड़ती हैं. And for that you need a good mentor. Sometimes we keep finding those mentors on board ship. अगर नहीं मिल रहे तो M&D Flix है ना, Merchant Navy Decoded has launched a subscription model where you can find more than 30 plus courses with respect to your rank, helping you earn respect on ship. Please enroll on these free trial videos. Watch these videos as per rank and then decide whether you want to invest or not with a very good flexible payment plan as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. Now which division is this? This one? 0 से 1 तक 5, 5, 1 to 2, 10, 15 readings, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. This is the 44th division of the vernier scale, guys. Again, this division is coinciding with the main scale division. अभी कौन सी डिवीजन है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 44th division. So this means 44 into least count. This is 0.02. That means 16 mm plus 44 into 0.02 is 0.88 mm. So it becomes 16.88 mm. That is the outside diameter of this over here, guys. This marker. I hope you have understood the vernier caliper. Now let me explain you the how to take measurement with the vernier caliper. Now let me talk about how to take measurement with the outside micrometer. Jai Mata Di. Now guys, see, this is a vernier. This is a micrometer over here. This is the outside micrometer. इसकी range कितनी है? 0 to 25 mm. मतलब this can maximum measure up to 25 mm. Copied, guys? I have got another micrometer. Let me see this one. है कि नहीं है? इसमें नहीं है. Okay. Just and this can measure up to 0 to 150 mm. अब उसके लिए भी there is a way. We put some guides over here. I'll show you. Just hold on. इसकी guides कहाँ पर है? इसके अंदर होंगे. Just video बनाते रहे. रख starter. See, guys, now this is the one which can also measure from 0 to 1.150 mm. So we have got these different templates kept over here. It says my length is 125 mm, and surprisingly they have also given temperature, because they know at different temperature it is going to expand. So say it is 20 degrees centigrade in ECR right now. It says my length is 125 mm. Now I have got different templates over here. I make it say 0 over here. First of all, you need to understand the adjustment way. Okay. Now, if I put a 125 thing, see, it is completely approximately going. That means this is 125 mm. Copied. If I have to make it, say 50 mm. So, I will take. Suppose I have to make it. Okay. Just give an example. Let me take out this one. This one. So now what happens is I can measure for the smaller distances. Now how much can I measure? Let me see with this template. Maybe this one. And this is how much? 50 mm. So when I put this will help me measure only 50 mm distance. So now from 50 to greater side. So that is how we can put different templates, and we can use this micrometer even for smaller size and for smaller diameters and bigger diameters. But if you want to be very specific or for small things, we use this micrometer. So whatever calculations that I have to do, I will do on this one. But I was just showing you. So these are the templates and these are the adjusting knobs over here. Abhi main purana wala laga. I'll put the old one back because this one was adjusted for crank pin outside diameter. Copied, guys? Now, and if I want to measure the diameter of this piston pin, I will put maybe this one over here. Let me see if this works. इसको लगाया मैंने, tighten it. Let me see. No, it will not. Maybe a smaller one is required. Just let me see. No, this is not going to be sufficient. So maybe a smaller one. Maybe this one. So I've got different templates for all. So I put this one. And now, if I have to measure, tick 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 tick. See? Now this can fit. Just giving you an example, guys. Ki for same outside micrometer, if I have to measure different diameters, I can use different templates, different adjustments, and I can measure. Now let me start with the calculation. Let me put all this aside. Okay, and let me come back to the outside micrometer over there. Now suppose I have to measure the thickness of this vernier caliper. So what I do is, first of all, I loosen the screw over here so that it is not tightened, and I put this, and after putting this, अब ये लूज है, yes, loosen, and now see, once it is tightened, guys, and इसमें भी guys थोड़ा adjustment करते रहो. Why? You need to ensure that there should be no clearance over here. यहाँ से आपको it should be completely seating onto this flat surface. There should be no clearance. So no clearance, and you have tightened it not by hand but by this ratchet screw over here, and then you lock it so that it does not move, and then you, okay, it is not coming out. Why? Because ये अंदर चला गया, guys. So anyways, I'll take the reading over here only. Now I have locked it. Now let me see what is the reading, guys. ऊपर वाला है 0. This is 0.05 mm. This is 1 mm. This is okay 0 mm, 1 mm, 2 mm. This is 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm, approximately 3 mm, right, guys? So 2.5 को तो क्रॉस कर गया. That means main scale division is, where is the marker? Main scale division is how much? 0 has crossed, and which all reading can I see? I can see 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm. So my main scale division is 2.5 mm. Plus vernier scale division is how much? This is 42. It is clearly matching. यहाँ पर it is not confusing like vernier caliper. We have to see. This is the one which matches over here. So it is 42. 40, 41, 42. So it becomes 42 into least count, that is 0.01. So it becomes 2.5 mm plus 0.42. So this becomes 2.92 mm to be exact. This is the thickness. Now एक और example लेंगे. Let me unscrew it, take it out. Okay. Let me take the example of, just a second. Okay. Let me take the example of, नहीं ये पतला है, thin, maybe some circular thing. This is too thin. Okay, चलो. Okay, I'll take this pen. Okay. When I do the circular one, guys, I have to be very, very careful. See, I have to ensure that it just goes parallel without touching. तो पहले इसको मैं थोड़ा लूज कर लूँ. Now it is loose. Now इधर help करना. Just tighten it with this one slowly. हाथ से नहीं, हाथ पे हाँ ऐसे करो. Okay, see he's tightening in the ratchet screw. Okay, just catching it now. Yeah. Okay, now see, now this is the dimension. Now please lock the screw. Okay, locked. Now I can remove the pen. So now let us see what is the reading, guys. So this is वर्नियर स्केल पे कहाँ आ रहा है? 5 mm निकल गया, 6 निकल गया, 7 निकल गया, 8 निकल, 9 निकल गया. 9.5 also I can see, guys. I can even see 10 over here. You see? No, I can see only 9.5, guys. This is 5, this is 9, this is 9.5. I am not being able to see the other reading over. This is the 10 mm. So it is 9.5 main scale revision reading plus how much is the vernier scale division reading? 46, 47, 47.5, guys. Just check it for yourself. Right? So 47.5. So we'll take it 47 into 0.01. So it becomes 9.5 plus 0.47. It becomes 9.97 mm. All I want to say is, guys, see, अब पहली बार में सब कुछ समझना, it is very difficult. When I am trying to explain the theory, I am also getting so many questions. But all I want to say is, the moment you start using it by hand, it becomes very easy. I'll show you one thing. Come over here. Just wait. To be more exact, guys, this is exactly 5 mm because my 0 is coinciding with the 5th mark over here. You can see this is exactly 5 mm. This becomes 5.05, 5.10, 5.15, 5.20, 5.25, 5.30, 5.35, 5.40, 5.45. Guys, this becomes 5.50. And the moment it becomes 5.50, you will see this lower portion now coming out. This lower marking will now start showing. Abhi dekhna aap. See carefully. Now after 5.50, you will see this lower mark going 5.55. Can you see this lower mark coming now? 5.55, 5.60. Again lower mark. That means it is greater than 5.5. 5.60, 5.65, 5.7, 5.75, 5.8, 5.85, 5.9, 5.95, and finally this is 6 mm. Exactly touching main scale at the 6 reading. इसको थोड़ा सा बाहर करूँगा, you'll see the 6th one. You see, this is 6 coming out. So guys, that is how you do the micrometer readings. You might be having confusions. If at all you have, go to your college. If you are on ship, go to your engine room and check it for yourself. That is how you are going to help yourself, and you are going to have confidence in how to take the readings. Thank you very much.